ನಮ್ಮದು ಇದು ಭೂತಪ್ಪ. ಇದು ನಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬರೋದು, ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Just after the trek of Negar Falls, I heard about Negar Falls. The four-wheeler or the two-wheeler can reach up until here, and then there is an estate here, but there are no homes. And then I guess we'll have to start the trek from here. If this is not the route, as usual, I'll have to come back. I embarked on a solo trek to discover one of the most challenging and dangerous waterfalls in the region. However, the trail proved to be too steepy and confusing, so I sought help from a local farmer. Despite their busy schedule with farming work, one farmer was kind enough to accompany me on the trek. So, the first view of the falls can be seen from here, but it's not quite visible because of the blockages. But this is something that you need to watch out. One wrong step, like I said, in every trek there will be some dangerous terrains, so watch out. Over the course of 2 days, we explored the top and bottom of the waterfall, and I learned a lot about the challenges of farming in isolated areas. I spent the entire day watching the water flowing from a dense forest through the rocks, creating a great view of the landscape. I was inspired by the minimalist lifestyle of these farmers who live in the middle of the jungle with very limited resources. The farmer not only taught me about farming but also about the different plants and leaves that can be consumed in the wild in order to survive if I am lost. My guide was adventurous and showed me the waterfall from various perspectives. So sit tight and join me as I take you to the bottom of this breathtaking waterfall and witness its continuous flow.